Okay, so um now we're going to talk about how to choose the center where you will do your practicals. Some guys have asked me to do a video on how do I choose a center where I do my practicals. So all you just have to do is come to my courses, and just at the left sub menu, just scroll down. The last button there says choose study center for practical. So just click choose study center for practical. And once you click choose study center for practical, you can now see all the study center. So depending on the one you choose, once you choose it, you now click submit and it will be registered. And as you can see, practicals are starting from 7th of April. Okay, so this is very simple. Once you log in, come to my courses and go to choose study center, and then you can pick your study centers and click submit. That's it. Alright, please always like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.